So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to use your Hostinger domain for your Shopify store, here's how to connect it in just a few simple steps. Firstly, in Hostinger, go to Domains, Domains Portfolio, then head to Manage, and then select DNS or name servers. Edit your A record and set the name to @ pointing it to Shopify's current IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Now, edit the www name record and point it to shops.myshopify.com. Now in Shopify settings, go to Settings, Domains, then connect existing, and enter your Hostinger domain and continue. Now if Shopify asks the verification, add the provided TXT record in Hostinger's DNS settings. Then return to Shopify and confirm that you have updated the DNS record. And that's it. Once DNS changes finish propagating, your Hostinger domain should connect to your Shopify store easily. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.